Okay, good evening, good morning, and we are going to learn today the plane mirror, the mirror first, and first of all we learn mirror, okay, plane mirror. The plane mirror, okay, the plane mirror, this is a mirror, this is a mirror, this is object distance, this is image distance, this is object distance, this is image distance, okay, and object distance equal to image distance. So image is formed behind the mirror. Image formed behind the mirror. So the characteristic of the image, okay, the characteristic of the image is virtual. Image must virtual. Okay, kedua, second is image upright. Image upright, and thirdly is image same size and laterally inverted. Okay, laterally inverted, and laterally inverted is songsang CC lah. Okay, for example, you see the mirror, you see left side, the portion of the right, and the right you see left. That's called laterally inverted lah. Okay, the image virtual, upright, same size, image same size, and laterally inverted. One other thing is image form. The image form behind mirror. The image form behind mirror. The image form behind mirror. Okay, this is the image form behind mirror. Virtual, upright, and same size, laterally inverted. Okay, laterally inverted. Okay, this is a plane mirror. Very easy to get a drawings of the plane mirror. And I will go to concave mirror and convex mirror, the drawings. Okay, first of all, object distance. Please understand, object distance equals to image distance. The object distance equals to image distance. Okay, and we are going to learn the convex mirror first. Convex mirror. Okay, we are going to learn convex mirror. Okay, convex mirror. Convex mirror. Okay, and convex mirror. Okay, convex mirror is a mirror. This is a mirror, and this and this is focal point. This focal point, and C. C is curvature point. F is focal point. Focal point or focal distance, and the C is curvature point. Curvature point. Okay, curvature point. Okay, an object wherever place. Okay, convex mirror. One thing about convex mirror. Wherever you place the object, image will be almost same place. Image will get same place. So, convex mirror, one drawing only. Convex mirror only, one drawing only. So wherever you place object, so for example, the object will place here. Object is placed here. The object placed here, and the image, the light ray is like this. Go straight. Light ray goes straight. Light ray goes straight and go to the focal point. So go to the focal point. This is image which go to the focal point. Light ray goes straight and go to the focal point. The second light ray is go to the curvature point. Okay, the second light ray. So second light ray is going through curvature point. The curvature point. So the first light ray goes straight and bend towards focal point. Second light ray is going through the curvature point. It's very easy to draw drawing. Okay, sometimes they ask exam, convex mirror, draw the convex mirror. Okay, ray diagram for convex mirror. So the convex mirror and the image is formed. This image formed at the intersection two lighting meeting point. That is called image. The image is formed less than focal point. Less than focal point. Image formed less than focal point. So wherever you place the object is less than f, more than f, or 2f, object more than 2f. Wherever you place the object, the image almost the same place. Image must be formed less than focal point. Image must be formed less than focal point. Wherever you place object, the image must be formed more or less the same place. That is called image will be formed at a less than focal point. So the characteristic of the image, virtual, upright, diminish means image will be smaller, and this one is a form behind the mirror. Okay, virtual, upright, diminish. Okay, behind mirror, and the image form behind mirror. Okay, image form virtual, upright, diminish, and behind mirror. Okay, behind mirror lah. Okay, we're going to learn now. We are going to convex mirror. So convex mirror. Where they use convex mirror? The application very important. Application convex mirror. Where they use a convex mirror? So they use convex mirror in the sharp corner, the bending, something like bend. What do you call it? A sharp bend, or something like a mountain, or something like Cameron Island is a bend, a sharp bend. Okay, sharp bend. They put it sharp bending or sharp corner. They put a convex mirror. Okay, another place convex mirror they place convex mirror in the mini market, or they call it 7-Eleven. Okay, they put the convex mirror at the end of the shop, and the sales girl sales girl will sit in in front of the table, in front of the shop, so she can see the view from front to back, the view of the convex mirror, because convex mirror get all the image smaller side, diminish. So the convex mirror cover the whole area of the shop, Okay, convex mirror cover the whole area of the shop. That's called cover the whole area. So the big mirror in the shop, for example, mini market or supermarket or something like a 7-Eleven. So big mirror. So the big mirror, convex mirror, can cover the whole area of the shop, because all the image is can be covered within mirror. So because the image has diminished, it is small. Another thing is convex mirror. Where they use convex mirror? They use convex mirror in the underground parking. So they want to see the car which is coming opposite side. So they put a mirror on the middle side there. So the mirror can see the car opposite, because underground parking we cannot see the car which is coming opposite side. Okay, so we can see the mirror. Then beside that mirror, where they use convex mirror, they use the side mirror of the car, small convex mirror. They put it, so they want to see the things from behind. Okay, maybe side the mirror from the behind mirror. Okay, the things see the behind. Okay, they call rear mirror also convex mirror. So you see things behind. So this is called convex mirror application. Okay. Okay, we're going to learn now. We're going to learn now concave mirror. Concave mirror. Okay, the concave mirror. Concave mirror for 5 drawings or 5 or 6 drawings. I give 5 lah. Maybe I give 5 or 1, 2 or 3. Okay, I give 5 drawings. Maybe I give 5 drawings. Maybe I'll give what do you call it? 4 5 drawings lah. Okay, or 2 or drawings. Okay, concave mirror we got about 5 or 6 drawings. Convex mirror we got 1 drawing only. 1 drawing only. Like unlike like a convex lens 5 drawing, concave mirror 1 drawing. Lens and mirror difference. Convex lens 5 drawings, convex mirror 1 drawing. Okay, concave lens 1 drawing only. Concave lens 1 drawing only, but concave mirror got 5 or 6 drawings. So we got to learn all these things lah. But I will teach you that. Okay, I will teach you what you call 1 or 2 trees. Maybe I will teach you 1 or 2. Okay, maybe the first of all, concave mirror. Concave mirror. The first drawing, concave mirror. The first drawing. This is concave mirror. This is focal point. Okay, it is and the C point is here. C point here. Okay, this is concave mirror. Okay, the object. The first thing, the object is the first drawing. The first drawing, U less than F. The object distance less than focal point. So we put object here. The object here. Okay, we put object here. Okay, and the light ray, same light ray, one center, one go straight, and this light ray, okay, passing through here, that is, these are passing to the focal point, and this light ray is, okay, that is dotted line. Okay, this light ray is the first light ray is going straight and bend towards the focal point, focal point this side, and you put ujurkan ke belakang lah ataupun extended at the back. Okay, and second light ray is like this. Second light ray is, okay, second light ray, you touch the curvature point, and touch the head of the object, and the light ray is. Okay, so the head of the object is light ray. So light ray come in this. Okay, then we put it dotted line. Put dotted line, extend dotted line straight, then they will get the image. The image you get like this. This image you get like this. Okay, this image. Okay, light ray. Okay, first light ray goes straight, bend towards focal point, inside focal point, and dotted line, extend dotted line. Okay, the second light ray is going through the curvature point, has the head of the object, like here, and extend this. So the extension point meet in this point. So this one got image, this one image, and the image characteristic image. Okay, the image virtual, image upright, magnified, the image magnified, and secondary image must be form of the, what do you call it, form behind mirrors, form behind mirrors. Okay, it is like this. Dotted line and extend dotted line, this. So this image we got. The image we got is like this. Okay. So we got this image. Image we got like this. Okay, and okay. The second one. That's called image virtual, upright, magnified, is bigger than object, and form behind mirror. Okay, the second one, the image. Okay, the second one. Okay, U between the second drawing. U between F and 2F. There's another thing, U summary F. That one is not really important. Okay, U summary F. Second one. I will teach third one, the easy one. Okay. This convex mirror like this. Okay, this is a focal point. This 2C. C is curvature point. The curvature point. Whereas C is upper with 2F. 2 times focal length. 2 times focal length. This one. Okay, the 2 times focal length. This one from the center of the mirror, from here to here, is 2 times focal length. 2 times focal length. Okay. The image that is the object that is. Okay, the object is placed like this. Okay, the object is placed between F. Okay. Okay, the first one like this. First one like this. The second one is like this. Okay, and the third one is focal point. Like this. Okay, and this is the first one, and go to the focal point. The second one will go to the focal point. The second one is go to the focal point. It's a focal point. The focal point, and this one. Okay. Okay. This one is curvature point is two times. So curvature point C. Two times, about two times focal point. Okay. Okay, this is the image. Okay, and the image is form design. Image is form design. Okay, image form on this side. Okay. Okay, this is image. Okay, the image must be real. The image characteristic of the image must be real. Second one, image must be inverted. trigger image magnified. And the fourth one, form. This one is behind the C point, but the important point, form, form same side object. Okay, real. The image material. Image material. So this one like this one straight line. Okay, straight. Okay, it will be straight. Okay, it will be straight. Okay, this one is like this, like this, like this, like this. Okay, and the image is formed. So image real, inverted, magnified. Image magnified, bigger than object, and the third point, image forms same side of the object. Okay, the next one. Okay, just now I forgot to give the application of first drawing. The application first drawing. We got application for first drawing is a dentist. U less than F. The concave mirror U less than F. The first drawing, the dentist, the mirror used by dentist to see the dent, see the what do you call it, the teeth. You want to see the teeth. Okay, so use a dentist. And the third one. This is F. This is 2F. C. C must actually C means C equals to 2F. 2 times focal length. 2 times focal point or focal length. Focal point or focal length same. Focal point is a point. Focal length is distance from the mirror. So the object is placed like this. The object is so the third drawing U equals to 2F or C point. U equals to C. C is 2F. 2 focal length. 2 times focal length. So object is like this. Object is like this. Okay. Object is like this, and object is like this, and times. Okay, and this one is okay. This this. Okay. The image at C point. Image is C. So object is C. Object is C. C is 2 times focal length. So image also you get different. Image also got what we call it. Image also got this. So it's not. Okay, this one. The image you got this same this. This image. Okay, this object. Object here, this go focal point. The second letter is going at this and going to focal point. Going to focal point here. Okay, here and here. So this way the image you get. So the characteristic of the image. The characteristic of the image is real, inverted, same size. Image is same size. Image is same size. Image form on the same form on same side of object. Same side object, or in other words, the image distance V must be equals to 2f also, or C character. So the object or the 2f, object is 2f, image also 2f. 2f is a point C, image point C. C must be 2f, 2 times focal length. So the object is 2f, image also 2f. Image same size. Image same size. Okay, another drawing I gave you. Okay. Okay, another drawing I gave you. Fourth diagram. U more than 2f. This is f. This is c. Okay, more than 2f. The object is here. The object is here. After 2f. After 2f is after c point. C is 2 times. C always is 2 times focal length. So the object is this. Okay. Okay, and there is go straight and for this. Okay, and the second one is this. Okay, the image is okay. So the first drawing like this, go straight and go through focal point. Second drawing, go through focal point, also like this. Okay, and the meeting point, the meeting point. So the image is like this. Image like this. So the characteristic image is a real image, also real image, inverted, bigger, diminish, means smaller, and the image is formed on the what do you call it? Form on same side of object. Okay, same side of object. So we are going to do some questions on the mirror. Some questions on the mirror. Okay, and okay, can you understand this one? Can you understand? Okay. Just a minute. I'll go to it. Okay. This question paper. We've done some questions on the lens last week, and the question on the refraction, all in the same paper. I think so. I think you must have. Okay, wait. this paper. This paper. So we did the question lens last week, lens questions, and we did reflection question the week before, maybe total reflections and questions we did before. And today we're going to learn some questions, some questions. Of course, I plan to do some questions. We can do the questions. We can do questions. Okay. I will do one or two questions for you today. Maybe the rest of the question you can do yourself. You can do yourself. Okay. And maybe I'll go through the questions with you, and next time we see you. And let's say the question one to 5. I do one question 1 to 5. Okay, question 1 to 5. Question 1, the diagram shows an object placed in front of a concave mirror. The distance of the object is less than focal length. Okay, and of the mirror. Which are the characteristics of the image form? Less than focal length. Concave mirror less than focal length. Concave mirror less than focal length. The image must be C. Virtual, upright, bigger than object. Okay. Next question. Question 2. Diagram 13 shows two cars P and Q traveling in the opposite direction. They're passing through a sharp bend, and which mirror is used most suitable? Sharp bend is convex mirror. Answer C. Convex mirror. Question 3. This question 3 is a bit difficult question. Okay, question 3 is a bit difficult question. Diagram, before that question 3, I do question 5. Question 4. Diagram 14 shows object is placed at O in front of the convex mirror. F is a focal point of the mirror. What are the characters of the image form? So the object is less than focal length, less than focal point. So the characteristics of the image same like question 1. Question 1 and question 3 same. What are the characteristics of the image form? Virtual, bigger than object. I will teach question 5, then I teach question 3. Question 5 first, question 3. Okay. Question 5, because question 3 is a bit difficult question, very difficult question. Because the mirror in the barber shop, Okay, you need my help, okay. Question 5, diagram 15 shows a boy standing in front of a plane mirror. The boy moves 1 meter backwards. Okay, this is we call it it's a plane mirror question. So the plane mirror question. This is mirror. Plane mirror. The boy at initial distance. The initial distance is 3 meters, and the boy moved backward for 1 meter. So the new distance of the boy is 4 meters. The new distance. The object is 4 meters. Because 1 meter back. The boy moved 1 meter back. So calculate the distance between the boy and the image. So the boy and the image. As I told you, the image or plane mirror image distance same as object distance. Or object distance same as image distance. Object distance same as image distance. So the current object distance is 4 meters. So image must be also 4 meters. So image. So this is 4 meters. This is 4 meters. And this is also 4 meters. So object is distant 4 meters because 1 meter behind. Object will move backwards. So 1 meter, 4 meters. So the object new object distant 4 meters. New image distance also 4 meters. So altogether 8 meters. So the distance of the object to image is 8 meters. Okay, question number 3. Diagram 17 shows Ali taking an eye test. The distance between Ali and the plane mirror is 1 meter. Ali sees the image of the object. Ali sees the image of the object in the mirror. Okay. If the distance between the image and Ali image in Ali is 5 meter. Calculate distance between Ali and the object. Okay, so the Ali, okay, this one is very, very difficult question. Bit confused, not difficult question, a bit confused question lah. Okay, this is a mirror. This is a mirror. Ali is here lah, and 1 meter. Ali is 1 meter distance. If the distance between Ali, image in Ali is 5 meter. Ali is here. Ali is here in 1 meter. So the image, the distance between Ali and the image of the object, see the image behind the object. So Ali and object. So where is the object? So maybe the object I put something like put object. This object, the object, image. So object here. So this object, this image. So the distance between Ali and the image is 5 meter. 5 meter. That means the distance from the mirror to the image is 4 meter. Okay, 4 meter. Because the distance between Ali and the image is 5 meter. So 1 meter and this is 4 meter. So image is 4 meter. So image is 4 meter. Means what is the distance for the object image? What is the distance between the object and image? Okay. This is image. This image for this object. This object, this image. So the image is 4 meter from behind the mirror. Image from behind the mirror 4 meter. Because the distance between image and Ali is 5 meter. So altogether 1 meter and 5 meter. 1 meter distance. From mirror to the Ali is 1 meter. From mirror to Ali is 1 meter. So from mirror to image is 4 meter. Must be 5 meter altogether. So image to object. Image to object. What is the distance between image to mirror is 4 meter. What is the distance between mirror to the object? Mirror to object. Mirror to image is 4 meter. Is this object. This object. This object. Okay, the 4 meter. Image to the mirror. Mirror image to mirror is 4 meter. Image to mirror is 4 meter. Okay. Image to mirror. Okay. 4 meter. So image like this. The image to the mirror is 4 meter. Object to the mirror. Object to the mirror. Object to the mirror. Must be what? 4 meter also. Object to the mirror is 4 meter. Image to the mirror is 4 meter. Image to mirror 4 meter. So must be the object must be 4 meter behind mirror. Behind lens. Behind mirror. So in front of mirror. In front of mirror is 4 meters. Behind mirror. It's not behind mirror. So behind in front of the mirror is 5 meter. So in front of the mirror is 4 meter. The object is only 4 meter because from the mirror to the image is 4 meter. So mirror to the object will be 4 meter because all distance 5 meter. Ali to mirror image is 5 meter. So 4 meter. So mirror to image must be 4 meter. Mirror to object also 4 meter. So what is the distance between Ali and mirror? So this is 4 meter. 4 meters including of the 1 meter before Ali. So Ali and the object. Ali and object must be what? 3 meter. 3 meter plus 1 meter. So 4 meter altogether. Okay. So you can understand these questions. Okay, I will give you the answers for the rest of the questions. Question 6, question 4 more C. Question 6 answer B. Question 7 I will teach about question 6. Maybe I will teach later. Question 7 answer D. Answer D. Question 8 answers D. Question 9 answer A. Question 10 answer C. Question 11 answer B. So we will do the question later part. Later we do the question. Some of the questions, I'm going to do questions. Later we do. Okay. Thank you very much. Thank you very much. Okay.